Hello students, we are going to take up carbenes. Carbenes are reactive intermediates, right? You find them in organic chemistry. They are actually neutral species of carbon and they are tied with two monovalent atoms or monovalent groups of atoms, right? And a lone pair. So if we talk about say CH2, so CH2 is carbene, methylene carbene. It has got a lone pair and it has got two monovalent atoms attached with the central carbon. Now this central carbon has got how many electrons? It has got 6 electrons. Okay, and it is neutral. It does not have any charge. Okay, so you have to remember this, that it doesn't have any charge and has a lone pair of electron. Now let's see how these carbenes are formed. So carbenes are formed basically by pyrolysis or photolysis. Pyrolysis means when you heat and you break the compound. Photolysis means when you expose the compound to light and the compound breaks. So let's take example. Whenever we take any diazoalkane and expose it to pyrolysis or photolysis, you are going to get carbene. So if you take diazomethane CH2N2 and expose this to heat or sunlight, sunlight has got sign H nu. Right, so when we expose, what will happen? The bond is going to break, so you will get CH2, right, with a lone pair, and nitrogen gas will be released. This compound or this group of species, which is reactive species formed, is known as methylene carbene. We will not call this as compound, we are going to call this as reactive intermediate. Okay, you can also prepare methylene carbene through ketene. So if you take ketene and you again expose the ketenes to heat or sunlight, the bond is going to break. You are going to get methylene carbene and carbon monoxide. Likewise, if you take chloroform, so chloroform has got one carbon with 3 chlorines, right, and 1 hydrogen. So when it is treated with sodium ethoxide, so in presence of sodium ethoxide, what happens? Hydrogen chloride is released. Okay, so when hydrogen chloride is released, you are left with a lone pair carbon and 2 chlorine atoms. So this is left, which is known as dichlorocarbene. So this is how carbenes are formed. Now let's study how many types of carbenes are there. So carbenes are 2 types, singlet carbenes and triplet carbenes, depending upon the hybridization of the carbon. Now when we talk about singlet carbene carbon is sp2 hybridized. So when it is sp2 hybridized, definitely it has got, yes, trigonal structure. Okay, now over here there are, now if we talk about sp2, that means there are 3 orbitals in one plane, or they are hybridized, and one orbital, p orbital, is left as such. So this p orbital, empty p orbital, is left as such. These are the 3 orbitals. Out of these 3, 2 are occupied, say, with hydrogen, monovalent atom. Okay, and this one, the third one, is actually occupied with lone pair. Okay, so if you see, this can also be drawn as, and you can see this is the lone pair. Okay, both the electrons in the opposite spin, so bond angle between them is 120 degrees, right? So there are two atoms, okay, attached to the carbon and a lone pair. So this gives the shape of bent, right? So it has got 2 atoms as 2 orbitals occupied with atom. Third is, this is the third p orbital, which is occupied with lone pair, and fourth orbital is empty. So this fourth orbital is empty. This is the structure of singlet carbene. Now singlet carbene is more stable than triplet carbene. Hence singlet carbene is less reactive. Okay, now let's talk about triplet carbene. Triplet carbene has got sp hybridized carbon. So you have a carbon over here, say the two monovalent groups of atom, or say hydrogen atom, and now two orbitals, right? Carbon having 4 orbitals, so there are 2 more orbitals. These are the 2 orbitals. Okay, now both these orbitals, occupy 1 electron each. So you will have 1 electron each, right? The bond angle is 180 degrees and the shape is linear. Now triplet carbene is less stable. Since it is less stable, it is more reactive, right? So carbenes are very interesting, they are very easy to understand, right? And they are highly reactive species. Why? Because they have got lone pair. But remember, although they have lone pair, but they do not have any charge. I hope you must have understood. If you have understood, do press the like button. Please share your comments with me and subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed. Press the bell icon so that you get my latest videos. Keep watching. Thank you.